The best vitamins for your eyes. If you struggle with dry eyes, night blindness or cataracts, then you may be suffering with a severe vitamin deficiency. Your body uses certain vitamins and nutrients to protect your eyes as they help in producing healthy tears and nerves. Sometimes the blood vessels and the nerves connected to your eyes become damaged, which usually leads to dry eyes. In more severe cases, you may develop cataracts, macular degeneration, or white-colored foamy spots on the eyes called Bitot spots. If you notice any of these problems, then you are likely deficient in the active form of vitamin A called retinol. In today's video, we will be exploring the benefits of vitamin A to heal your eyes naturally. You will also learn about what caused the damage to your eyes and the best food supplements to heal the nerves. Retinol, what is it? There are many different nutrients which all play a role in protecting your eyes and vision. Retinol is the active form of vitamin A and is found in a variety of different foods. It's absolutely essential for building retinal cells in your eyes, lubricating tears, healthy skin cells, maintaining your glands, and much more. When you do not have enough active vitamin A in your body, the tear ducts can become malformed, leading to dry eyes, bloodshot eyes, or blurred vision. You may also become sensitive to light, have a gritty feeling, or struggle to see during the night. Retinol has been scientifically found to help you see in the dark and help support the mucous membranes that lubricate your tear ducts so that your eyes can become moist. Why am I deficient in retinol? A large percentage of people are deficient in retinol or vitamin A and other fat-soluble nutrients such as vitamin E, D, etc. The most common cause of a deficiency is having digestive problems such as acid reflux, GERD, gallbladder problems, fatty liver disease, or leaky gut syndrome. You need a strong and healthy gut to absorb the fat-soluble version of vitamin A called retinol to support your eye health. You may also be deficient because you are not eating enough foods which contain active vitamin A. Low stomach acid. Another common cause of a vitamin A deficiency is low stomach acid. If you suffer with acid reflux, heartburn, gas, or excessive burping, then you may have low stomach acid. The stomach acid should be very acidic, at a pH of between 1 and 3 in order to break down your food and absorb important vitamins and minerals. As we get older, however, our stomach acid tends to become weaker, which prevents us from absorbing enough vitamin A from our food. How to absorb more vitamin A? There are 3 key steps that you can take to get more vitamin A into your body to reverse damage to the eyes and start producing more healthy tears. 1. Stop consuming antacid medications, as these neutralize your important stomach acid. Instead, consume apple cider vinegar capsules and digestive enzymes before each meal. These are natural and restore your digestion, heal acid reflux and GERD. They also restore your pH balance in the stomach so that you can absorb more vitamin A. 2. Consume foods rich in provitamin A every single day. Consume virgin cod liver oil daily, as this is the best source of this nutrient. Also eat beef liver, mackerel, wild-caught salmon, goat cheese, grass-fed butter, and pasture-raised eggs. These are all loaded with provitamin A, which will help to fix the cells in your retina of your eye and also help the glands to make healthy tears. 3. Take a bile supplement after every single meal. This supports your stomach and helps you to absorb more vitamin A and other fat-soluble nutrients. This gives your liver and gallbladder a helping hand, especially if you have had your gallbladder removed. By following these 3 key steps, your body will soon begin to start digesting and absorbing more active provitamin A from foods that you eat. Soon you may begin to notice your eyes becoming less dry and more lubricated because you are supplying the tear glands with the nutrients that they need. Blurred vision, light sensitivity, and vision problems at night will begin to improve. You will also notice healthier skin with less dryness because provitamin A helps to produce important skin cells. Plant-based vitamin A. There is a different type of vitamin A found in vegetables called beta-carotene. Unfortunately, beta-carotene is poorly converted to retinol by the body and will not be enough to meet your requirements. You need the active, fat-soluble version of vitamin A, which is found in fatty foods like oily fish, dairy, eggs, and offal. Supplements to heal your eyes. Now we will take a look at 3 key supplements that you can take to help heal your eyes at a faster rate. 1. Icelandic virgin cod liver oil. To restore your tears and prevent further damage to your eyes, consume 1 teaspoon of Icelandic virgin cod liver oil daily. The DHA, EPA and vitamin A in this oil will penetrate deep into the nerves of your eye and help to build new healthy cells in order to heal them from within. 2. Zinc chelate. Take a daily supplement of 100 mg of chelated zinc. All of the nerve cells in your eyes contain zinc because it helps to control nerve cell communication. This will help to reverse any damage caused by having dry eyes over a long period of time. 3. Nutritional yeast. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes every single day to load up on the natural vitamin B complex. B vitamins help to build a protective layer around your nerves and restore nerve damage to the eyes. B vitamins also reduce pain and swelling and protect against complications from high blood sugars or diabetes. These supplements all work together to quickly stimulate regeneration of the nerve cells within your eyes. You must remember, however, that taking supplements are not a magic pill. It is vital to fix your diet and strengthen your stomach to support a healthy body. Remove refined foods like sugar and floury foods from your diet. These deplete your nutrients and cause oxidation of the eyes and nerves. Also, be sure to avoid synthetic vitamin A supplements, as these have toxic effects. Get your provitamin A from food-based sources like cod liver oil, beef liver, eggs, fish, and others that we have mentioned today. Recommended daily intake. Here you can see the recommended daily intake for provitamin A. Some food labels, such as vegetables, may state that they have high amounts of vitamin A. Remember that this is only the water-soluble version called beta-carotene and is not the same as the active form found in animal products. It's best to do your own research and meet your daily nutrient requirements by eating healthy whole foods rich in provitamin A. Summary: retinol or provitamin A is absolutely essential to support the lubrication, protection, and health of the eyes and the retinal cells. Getting more of this into your diet and absorbing it properly can help to reverse nerve damage to the eyes caused by oxidation, high blood sugars, junk foods, and diabetes. Daily supplementation of cod liver oil is the best method to relieve eye problems, along with B vitamins from nutritional yeast to fix the underlying causes. To learn more about specific vitamins in more depth and detail, please see a link to our important nutrients playlist below the video. Thank you very much for listening. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more healthy videos. I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.